In 2026, the military difference between the United States and Iran is huge. America is the strongest military power in the world. Iran is powerful in the Middle East, but it is not on the same level as the United States. But this comparison is not simple, because America is built to fight anywhere in the world. Iran is built to defend its own region and make any attack painful. America has aircraft carriers, nuclear submarines, stealth jets, long-range bombers, satellite cyber weapons, and military bases across the world. Iran does not have that kind of global reach. Iran's strength is different. Missiles, drones, air defense systems, underground bases, fast attack boats, and regional allies. So this is not only about who has more weapons. It is about strategy. America has technology. Iran has geography. America has air power. Iran has hidden launch sites. America can strike from far away. Iran can respond from the Persian Gulf, Iraq, Syria, Yemen, or Lebanon. In the air, America has a massive advantage. The United States has advanced jets like the F-35 and F-22 and bombers like the B-2 and B-52. Iran's air force is older and much smaller. In a direct air battle, Iran would struggle badly. But Iran does not need to win the sky to create damage. It can use missiles and drones to hit bases, ships, oil facilities, and important infrastructure. That is where Iran becomes dangerous. At sea, America has aircraft carriers, destroyers, submarines, and advanced missile defense systems. Iran cannot match the U.S. Navy ship for ship. But Iran has one powerful card: the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway is one of the most important oil routes on Earth. If Iran uses mines, drones, missiles, or fast boats, then even the strongest navy in the world can face serious pressure. That is why America has the stronger navy, but Iran has the more dangerous location. On land, America has better equipment, better training, and more advanced systems. But invading Iran would be extremely difficult. Iran is large, mountainous, heavily populated, and prepared for defensive war. America could bomb Iran. America could destroy many targets. But occupying Iran would be a completely different challenge. That is why a full ground war would be extremely risky. Iran's biggest weapon is not one missile or one drone. It is the ability to make war expensive. Iran can attack shipping, pressure oil markets, use proxy groups, launch missile strikes, and create fear in the global economy. America's biggest weapon is overwhelming force. Iran's biggest weapon is escalation. So who is stronger? Militarily, the United States is far stronger. There is no serious comparison in air power, naval power, satellites, logistics, nuclear forces, technology, and global reach. But does that mean war with Iran would be easy? No, that is the dangerous part. America could win battles, but Iran could make the region burn. Oil prices could rise. Shipping routes could freeze. U.S. bases could be targeted. Israel and Gulf countries could be pulled into the conflict. The Red Sea, Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, and the Persian Gulf could all become part of the same crisis. So the real question is not only who is stronger. The real question is this: how much damage could Iran cause before it is defeated? Because in modern war, victory is not always clean. Sometimes the stronger country wins the fight, but the whole world pays the price. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful breakdowns.